Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alecphant Finance here. Today is the 29th of April. Today we're going to be talking about XRP, and we're going to go over price targets, news, and what just happened the past 10 minutes. We just saw the incredible rise up to 1.54. So without further ado, let's begin. As always, guys, if you enjoy my content, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And also leave a comment down below about what are your thoughts about XRP and any other crypto you want me to talk about. All right, let's get back to the video. All right, to begin, we're going to go over the news real quick. So go over Google, type in XRP news. We have FX Empire talking about whatever. The big news that we want to talk about is Ripple planning for IPO after settling the XRP lawsuit. So after the XRP lawsuit, which it has been going on since January, I remember it went from 75 cents down to 17 cents. That's where I scooped up like my 10K XRP, but I was too hesitant to purchase more because, what if it was zero or whatever. However, the bright side is XRP is looking positive towards their outcome. The likeliness of them surpassing the outcome of being favorable is pretty much 80 to 90% right now. So I believe that XRP is going to beat this lawsuit without a doubt. The IPO, let's look at the article real quick. The IPO looks like it's about to happen. Let's see here. Doesn't really give a date. However, April 30th is a big date because there's a hearing on April 30th. That is literally tomorrow. I believe it's in the morning. I have to look at the timing, but I believe it's going to be a phone call in the morning. And over here, they're looking to a public offering. So that means Ripple is going to be a public company. They're not going to be scrutinized, and they're going to have stocks that they can sell to the public. That's going to differentiate their XRP and then their stock. So they're going to be able to raise funds without having to sell their XRP anymore. So with that being said, let's go to the technical analysis. Also, to get your alternative news, you're going to have to go to Reddit. And on Reddit, they talk about all of these things that you won't get as fast against the news. So some things that you would see on here are like relisted on another exchange. Phoenix is the exchange. There's no news about that. So Reddit is your place to be. I also heard about the hearing tomorrow from Reddit. So if this hearing goes successful and the SEC will back off, then you can see relisting of XRP on Coinbase. You can see it on Binance US and a lot of US based exchanges, and that should drive up demand for XRP in the future. Okay, without further ado, let's go to tradingview.com. Always look at tradingview.com before you make any decisions for financially about crypto. Crypto is a very risky asset, so you always plan ahead on exits and entries. If you're just long-terming, make sure you buy the dip, not the tops. So on April 13th, I alerted that this was a sell point and that we should long here at 86 cents. So around there, I told everyone in my group chat to long here. The Forex coins, they got wiped around here, and then they ended up popping off right here. But I did buy 30,000 coins from here, and that was about 35 grand, and now it's worth about 60 right here. So I made approximately 25 grand just off this run right here. So what happened? There's a bunch of patterns I'm seeing here. I was in this descending channel for a while, and then once I saw that it touched the Fibonacci, so the Fibonacci I'm looking at as a red, 2.236 on this dip, I knew for a fact that that was a perfect entry. And it was a matter of getting out of this descending channel and into this unknown territory. So once we broke out of this descending channel, I'll mark it red for you guys. So once we broke out of this descending channel, we flipped bullish, and the target is anywhere between the blue and green. Sometimes we can penetrate the gray area for the run up, but since XRP is kind of hyper bullish right now, I'm kind of too scared to take profits. What if I miss out? Those kind of fears. So we come up here, we pop out of the descending channel into a pennant. We ended up breaking the pennant. This right here is a head and shoulders. So let me just draw that for you. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So we broke out obviously to the upside because it's inverse head and shoulder. Let me just erase that. And then now if you come over here, so April 17th, there is a shoulder, head, shoulder again. So then that is downward sloping, so it won't be as bullish. It'd be probably like this much. And then if I take the length of that, then obviously we're going to be pulling up to the upside. So the measured move for this target, let's do the first one. First one's going to be the pennant. So the measured move of the pennant is going to be from here to here. Let me make that white for you guys so you can see it. Let me delete this. So this is target number 1, the 1.78. That is from the pennant. So that's from the pennant. So now we have the head and shoulders decline. Decline head and shoulders is just approximately half to 75%. So let me go conservative. I go 75%, I apply it to the breakout, or half, and then it gives me the same rough range, 1.73 for the second target. And then the small one is going to be this inverse head and shoulders over here. So this small one right here is just going to give us where we are right now, which is 1.54. So that one's void. So we have the two targets in the short term. It's the 1.73 for the inverse head and shoulders here, and we have the 1.78 from the pennant from here. So with that being said, that is it for the technical analysis. I will be doing a long-term analysis for XRP tomorrow or approximately next week. I believe we might go to $26 depending on where Bitcoin goes. So we'll have to see. All right. Thanks, guys.